Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101 and Living Lux in Houston. So we're gonna see the 2-bedroom. This is the Autumn at the Aspire Post Oak. This is a really pretty floor plan. I've already previewed it, you're gonna love it. Hey, let's go ahead and walk in. So this is quite a large 2-bedroom. You're gonna love it. We're gonna get the bedrooms and the bathrooms last. We're gonna start out with this beautiful living room and kitchen. It's a stunner, look at this. It's just gorgeous. So it's got this huge kitchen with perfect appliances, and you don't have to imagine the perfect apartment. You're seeing it right now. It's gorgeous. I mean, look at this. Look at the stove, the gas stove, the quartz white countertops, the really pretty white cabinets, perfect appliances. Even the backsplash is perfect. I mean, you're seeing some amazing things here. You're also seeing an island. This island would be wonderful for hosting a lot of folks. And you've got a wine fridge there ready to go. So imagine pouring some glasses of wine for folks. People are gonna love being in your place. Then you've got, of course, these floor-to-ceiling windows. These are amazing. And it's a lot of them. Look how many windows there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then it keeps going on here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a little one over there. This is amazing. It's some fantastic views of Houston. I mean, look at these views. It's awesome. And then here is a table. So you got enough room for a table. You could literally fit 15, 14 feet or 15 people in here pretty regularly, easily. We're gonna go outside, and I want you to see, you do have a balcony with some fantastic views. This is awesome. Look at this. This is a great area of Houston. You're gonna have pretty much unobstructed views. You've got some great views over there. So wonderful area of Houston. And then I like things like this little area, this little niche where you've got, you can put your table like that and work in here, and then still have the floor-to-ceiling windows. So this is pretty stunning, don't you think? Okay, there's a number below. Send me a text to that number below and just say, hey, Grant, hey, I love what I'm seeing here. I'd love to get you on my team to help me find my perfect Houston luxury high-rise apartment. Send in a text, introduce yourself, and then I'll get to working with you very soon. We're gonna find the most incredible place for you. Now we're gonna do a part 2. We're gonna walk through the bedrooms and the bathrooms. So let's go to another video for that right now.